Welcome to the first demonstration of petrol dispensing station level monitoring using magnetic sensors and reporting through IOT. So here we are using all effect sensors which are used to sense the petrol level, because in real time if you want to check the petrol like anything like kind of fuel levels, then if you use any electronic sensors, then it may lead to the fire accidents, and it's like flammable liquid. That's why we are not supposed to use directly electronic sensors. So that's why we are using the magnetic sensors. So this magnet will float on the fuel, means the surface of the fuel, and when it reaches this level it's indicated as low level, and when this sensor reaches this higher level, then it is indicated as the level was high. So when the level is low, then the microcontroller will on this motor with help of this electromagnetic relay, and when it reaches the higher level, then the microcontroller will off the motor by switching off this electromagnetic relay, and so-called status will be displayed on the LCD continuously. And also parallelly we are going to get this level of this petrol data through the IOT in this blink application. So you get the first level or second level. So like this we are going to getting the levels directly. So when it is showing the offline, so it's indication of like the device is not connected to internet. So coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced these two Hall effect sensors at A0 A1 pin of our PIC16F72 microcontroller. So based on these inputs we are going to control this relay which was connected at the pin number C7, and the so-called status continuously displayed on the LCD screen, which we have connected pin number B2 to B7. And as we discussed, the IOT data will be sent to the mobile phone through the blink application to this through this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So we have connected this at pin number B0 and B1. So the whole system getting power supply from this 230 volts AC input. So this 230 volts AC input parallelly given to the motor through this electromagnetic relay, as well as to this regulated power supply board. So which convert the 230 volts AC to 5 volts DC directly the output as the operating voltage for our microcontroller, and all these sensor modules as a 5 volt. So that's why we need to regulate that 230 volts AC to 5 volts DC. So let us see demonstration. Before switch on the kit, we need to install the Blink IoT application from the Play Store and log into that with the given credentials, and go to hotspot settings, change the hotspot name to project 5478 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 129 and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So after this, on the hotspots along with data. So after that you can on the kit now. So I'm switching on the power supply to this motherboard. So then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, right? And the device will be online now. Yeah, so the device is online now. So if it is not online for some time, you should check your hotspot settings clearly. Small letters, all should be no space, nothing. So after this, click on this now. So let me provide the input to this one. So initially we need to provide the input to this. So the water level reaches this lower level. Then you can see on the LCD display as well as on the Wi-Fi blink application. So when it reaches to the higher levels, then higher level indication will be there on the mobile phone, on LCD also. So when down again, so we will make a arrangement like the level of the fuel will be carry in this magnet, because it can be float on the any liquid. So as we place the WPVC, so in general only the magnet will directly sink inside the liquid, but we place the WPVC. So this fuel level data will be accessed from anywhere in the world directly. Right.